Welcome to Digiart Design Services, where we excel in cutting-edge digital solutions for dental laboratories and clinics. Our specialty lies in crafting top-quality and functional bite splint upper dentures, perfectly tailored to your patient's needs. We kick off our design process with advanced 3D modeling using Exocad software, allowing us to analyze and simulate patient-specific data for an impeccable fit and optimal occlusion. Our precision-driven digital workflows ensure that each bite splint is meticulously crafted to optimize durability, comfort, and aesthetics. The end result speaks to our dedication to excellence. Our bite splint upper dentures are crafted with precision and accuracy, guaranteeing unparalleled quality and reliability. With our partnerships with leading dental laboratories and clinics, we promise satisfaction and successful patient outcomes. At Digiart Design Services, innovation meets precision in dental solutions. Trust us to elevate your practice with superior dental designs. Introducing Digiart Design Services, where we